Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change username on Amazon on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you can open Amazon app on your device. Okay, after that here you can press profile icon. And then you can click on your account menu. Well, and then here you can scroll down. Okay, and then you can select profile. Well, after that here you can change your username in this section. Okay, and then click submit. And then your Amazon username is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change username on Amazon on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.